When it comes to landing page software, two of the most popular choices are OptimizePress and ConvertKit. But which one really stands out? In this video, we're diving deep into both tools to see how they compare and which one could be the best fit for your needs. First, let's talk about OptimizePress. This tool has been around for quite a while, offering a range of features specifically designed for creating landing pages and funnels. It's ideal for people who want full control over their design and functionality. The drag and drop editor is straightforward, and you get tons of templates to work with. But here's the catch: while OptimizePress gives you control, it also comes with a learning curve. It's not the easiest tool to pick up for beginners, and customization, while flexible, can get a bit tricky if you're not familiar with design principles. Next thing to consider is ConvertKit. Now, ConvertKit is known for being an excellent email marketing tool, but it also has some solid landing page functionality. One of the biggest strengths of ConvertKit is how seamlessly it integrates with their email campaigns, which makes it a great choice for anyone focusing on building their email list. You get simple drag and drop features, clean templates, and the ability to add custom opt-in forms quickly. However, it lacks some of the advanced design options that OptimizePress offers. It's more streamlined, which can be a pro or con depending on your needs. If you want a clean, no-frills design, ConvertKit is fantastic. But if you want something more complex or personalized, OptimizePress gives you more flexibility. The third thing to note is the pricing structure of both tools. OptimizePress operates on a one-time payment model, which can be appealing for people who don't want a recurring subscription. But that can be a bit of an upfront investment. On the other hand, ConvertKit works on a monthly subscription basis, and while it's affordable for smaller lists, it can get quite expensive as your email list grows. So, if you're on a budget, you might need to weigh the long-term costs carefully. Another thing to look at is the integration options. ConvertKit's integrations are strong, especially for email marketing, and it works well with other tools like Shopify, WordPress, and more. It's ideal for creators who want to keep everything in one place. OptimizePress, however, offers a lot of flexibility in terms of integrations, especially for those who use WordPress. But if you're not using WordPress, it can be a bit limiting in terms of integrations with other platforms. Next thing to consider is performance and speed. When it comes to loading times, OptimizePress does a good job, but its pages can slow down when you add a lot of complex elements. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is generally quicker, especially if you're using a minimalist design for your landing pages. Finally, we can't ignore support and community. ConvertKit offers excellent customer service with detailed guides, live chat, and a strong community of users. OptimizePress offers decent support as well, but the community isn't as active as ConvertKit's. So if you value customer support and community engagement, ConvertKit may have the edge. So, while both OptimizePress and ConvertKit are solid options for landing page creation, they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. If you want a more customizable, design-heavy landing page tool and you're comfortable with WordPress, OptimizePress might be your best bet. However, if you're focused on email list building and want something simple yet powerful with great support, ConvertKit is a fantastic option. But here's the thing: if you want something that combines the best of both worlds, I've found a better alternative after testing all of these myself. If you want a landing page tool that's not only easy to use, but also integrates seamlessly into your business without the headaches, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available to my viewers. Trust me, it's worth trying. So, there you have it, OptimizePress versus ConvertKit. Both have their merits, but if you want the best solution for creating landing pages, don't miss out on the free trial in the description. Go ahead and try it out for yourself.